Pancakes.
Can you run? Yes, I can. Can you run? Yes, I can. I am the gingerbread man. Crocodile, crocodile, oh, oh, oh! I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you. Eat, you.
The Gingerbread Man.
Pancakes. Icky frog, get my ball.
Rabbit,
Icky frog, go away.
rabbit,
Icky frog, you're a prince.
rabbit.
The Princess and the Frog.
Look around and see the world. There's a boy who seems very sick. There's a man who seems very sad. There's a girl who seems very cold. See the people who need your help. See the people and give your hands. This way and that way you can do. Helping is a great thing to do.
田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ。都会のネズミが田舎のネズミの家に遊びに来ました。田舎のネズミは心を込めてどんぐりの料理を作りました。
食べるものがたったのどんぐりだけ？田舎のネズミくん、僕と一緒に都会に行こう。
田舎のネズミは都会のネズミについて都会に来ました。
うわあ、都会は本当にすごいな。
お肉やケーキがいっぱいの都会のネズミの食卓を見て、田舎のネズミはとてもびっくりしました。
田舎のネズミくん、たくさん食べて。都会にはいつもごちそうがあるんだよ。
田舎のネズミが食べようとしたとき、ドアが開いて人が入ってきました。
お腹。
It was a cold winter day when a mole found a mitten in the snow.
Huh? This is great! Now I've got a cozy home.
Mo, may I come in?
May I join you?
My muzzle is freezing.
My tail has become frozen from the cold.
I can't see anything because of the heavy snow.
Can we come in too?
Oh, ouch!
Oh, stop pushing me!
Move over then.
Oh, my ear! My ear!
Can you move your tail?
Oh, this is perfect!
Let's go get him!